Good morning. We had a wonderful shuttle with Tom, who's hiked the Appalachian Trail twice. Gave us a lot of insight on the area. And we are slack packing. I have my pack, but it's really light with no tent and no sleeping bag and all kinds of stuff, which is awesome. And we're only doing a little over 8 miles today. And he's going to help us out in the next 2 days. We're going to extend our lovely stay at the Super 8. It's a very reasonable hotel. And it's not luxury, but it certainly is getting the job done, which is awesome. So we've only hiked about a half a mile, but it's a beautiful day. And we are excited for the day. And we're excited for the next 2 days too. We are now at the Groovy smoothie. It's this lovely smoothie place and they have wraps and it's really adorable here in Irwin. Sofa, and we both got smoothies and they're delicious after our really nice hike today. We did 8.5 miles and tomorrow we're planning another big day. But we got back to Irwin and decided to have a smoothie.